जो टीम थी, it has always been a team of multiple nationalities. The first coach that we had was 1983 World Cup winner Madan Lal Saab. He was our coach. And someone said, "What's the difference in cricket then and cricket now?" So I said the difference is quantity बढ़ गई है, quality is not the same.
This is the story of Adil Farooq, ex-vice captain of the UAE cricket team. From playing on cement grounds to representing a nation. In this episode, you'll understand how UAE players without infrastructure still made it to international cricket. How a record-breaking UAE double century stayed unheard. How players with full-time jobs still competed at the highest level. And how guidance from a 1983 World Cup winner like Madan Lal shaped Adil's journey. Cricketer at first, then you were a part of Dubai Police Force, then you turned to singing. Is there something else left that you have not done, Mr. Adil Farooq?
I think आप एक आधा चीजें भूल गए, एक्टिंग भी कर चुका हूँ। आज हम बात करते हैं मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ एंड ऑल दैट। शायद उस टाइम पे नहीं था, सब नौकरी करते थे। वीकेंड क्रिकेटर्स थे। क्वालिफाई कैसे करे, कैसे किया क्वालिफाई? सारे ग्राउंड तो सीमेंट थे। ग्रिड पे क्वालिफाई किया। साल का एक टूर्नामेंट होता था रमजान का, और साल का एक टूर्नामेंट होता था जिसके अगर 5 मैच है ना, 5 में से 4 होंगे सीमेंट पे, 1 होगा। The team owners, do not forget the amount of heavy work the team owners are doing. If there is no payroll, these cricketers will not survive here. The first international double 100 was by Sachin.
Sachin Tendulkar, yeah.
No.
ODIs.
No.
It was by a woman cricketer. No?
2009 ACC qualifier.
Singer or cricketer?
Cricketer.
Cricketer or cop?
Cricketer.
Cricketer or actor?
Cricketer.
Music versus cricket. Which battle broke you more? Yeah.
Wow.
10 साल काम किया आपने Dubai Police में. Why did you leave?
I think once long time ago my mother said something. Try it with 100% commitment. Sometimes 98% luck comes and makes it 100%. Sorry if I get emotional when I talk about
Don't worry about it.
Cricket has always been my utmost passion because of the amazing mother I had. So it's either cricket or really good music. Now Balmant ki she'd be sitting on the sofa reading a book. You'll hear Tom Jones or Elvis singing in the background and say, वो उसके अलावा के टाइम में cricket and horror movies.
सलमान खान के साथ काम करने के लिए रोल ऑफर हुआ था आपको, a big role.
Yeah, it was one of the main leads, It Will Inside. Because of XYZ reasons, they had some issues with the visas being done. So by that time, I had to back out of the movie because मेरा एक मानना है और मैं सीख गया हूँ जिंदगी में, anything that is supposed to happen for you, ना 1 मिनट पहले होगा, ना 1 मिनट बाद में होगा तभी जब अल्लाह चाहता है, and it will happen. Then no other force can stop it.
मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा that you've been a cricketer at first, then you were a part of Dubai Police Force, then you turned to singing, now you're doing a job, you have done commentary for cricket. Is there something else left that you have not done, Mr. Adil Farooq?
I think आप एक आधा चीजें भूल गए, एक्टिंग भी कर चुका हूँ.
Yeah, परवाज़ में आपने एक्टिंग की थी.
And I was cast as one of the main villains for Tigers in the due to some reasons I had to back out.
Yeah,
of the movie.
we'll come to that. वो डिटेल में एक
तो
segment.
ऐसे हैं, किया हुआ है सारा कुछ. But yeah, I mean, see, सबसे पहले I think apart from cricket has always been my utmost passion. Singing, I think, because of the amazing mother I had, the legend that she was, Allah bless her soul. Sorry if I get emotional when I talk about.
Don't worry about it. I know how close you were to him. To
I
her.
still am. And I work very close to her as well. So Alcoa Cemetery is right behind. So every time I want to talk to her, I just go there. But from the youngest of times, if you're close to your mother as a son, you pick up on a lot of things. तो मेरी अम्मी को 2 मिनट का भी टाइम मिले ना, तो वो इधर का या उधर का, so it's either cricket or really good music. So Engelbert Humperdinck, Frank Sinatra, Elvis Presley, Aretha Franklin, Tom Jones, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab, Mehdi Hasan Khan Saab, Ghulam Ali, Lata, Kishore, Mukesh, Rafi Saab, all of that. I mean, you name it, and Gugush from Persia, So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उधर ही से. And she had at one point of time before, sadly that Jumeirah में we had this villa, we still do, but it's on rent. वो it burned down. So a lot of her LPs, उस टाइम पे LPs होते थे, MP3 पे गाने नहीं भेजे जाते.
True.
She had, I think, close to around 2,500-3,000 LPs.
Wow.
And close to about, if I'm not wrong, 2,000 to 3,000 books. So she was very switched on that way. वो अपना वो बाल बांध के, she'd be sitting on the sofa reading a book. You'll hear Tom Jones or Elvis singing in the background. And वो उसके अलावा के टाइम में cricket.
Okay.
So you'd be sitting, and horror movies.
Oh, really?
Scarred for life. हाँ.
And that is why you're still a horror movie fan.
Next to का मतलब मेरे मुकाबले का कोई है भी नहीं horror movie
So
fan.
you've been heavily influenced by your mother, mashallah.
I think it's one of the biggest influences. आप 9 महीने अपनी माँ के पेट में हो. See, don't forget that I'm a father. So we as dads, we're unsung heroes. We do a lot. And a lot of times people forget Father's Day and everything and all. मैं अपने बच्चों को I usually say, Mother's Day का कार्ड बना. And I encourage them because I'm so close to my mother. Respect for a mother and love for a mother for me is very big. So I remind them, because I remember my mother. So I'd say, Mother's Day card, make one for Mama. They'll make it and they'll go, and Happy Mother's Day. Achha, when Father's Day passes, just to tease them. I say, thank you for wishing me Father's Day. So they'll say, oh, Baba, they'll come and hug. So I have 4 boys. 26, Azan. 19, Fahad. 15, Mikhail. And 12, Zayan. 4 boys. Allah. मुझे जो एक बड़ी मुझसे, and we'll come to that. So these 4 boys, I've made sure wherever they go, whether they're on the phone to me or not, when they're closing the phone, I put this habit in them to say, Baba, love you. Because क्या होता है, after that rebellious age of 15, 16, where you're just kicking into your hormones and you're growing up and all that, you kind of like disband a little from your parents. होता है ये. So that's where I made sure that I'm there. I'm putting it in their head. So my 26-year-old, who's my firstborn, who taught me what fatherhood is. Because while I was growing up, I was like, ye mera dost hai, kind of thing. So we're like buddies, Wo kuch bhi kare, he turn, Baba, and he'll talk to me about anything. So I've kept it that way, an open thing. Come and talk to me about something if you have a problem, because if there is a problem, I'm there as a lion to defend you. तो वो हम सिखा के रखा. And that I learned from my mother till she passed away, sadly.
This was recently, right?
2 years
years
ago.
back.
So 24th of September will be 3 years.
Okay.
So, and she had a battle with cancer for 5 years. Rashid Hospital said 1.5 months. Good doctors and dua bahut zaruri hai. And love gave us 5 years with her. Alhamdulillah for that.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah. And talking about that, your mother, your influence, I think Urdu ज़बान भी इसीलिए
यार ये ना
उन्हीं के पास
हाँ बिल्कुल देखें मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं. अच्छा, a lot of the Marathis do speak, some not very fluently and all that, obviously, but we all do. And because if you go way back in time, before United Arab Emirates became United Arab Emirates, and it was separate Emirates, one by one, separate.
एक ज़माने तक तो रुपी चलता था, Indian rupee,
Omani Riyal and Indian rupees, and because of the trade. So a lot of times, अच्छा अब कोई इंडिया से कश्ती से आया है ट्रेड करते हुए, वो आते ही कश्ती में तो अरबी नहीं सीख जाएगा. So there was that dialogue कि अच्छा कुछ सीखने and all that. So that's one part. But my ammi, she was from Karachi, but originally from UP.
Okay.
And Urdu was a very heavy language in their family. तो हमारे में जैसे खिड़की होती है, आप बोलोगे ना खिड़की बंद करनी, हमारी अम्मी दरीचा कहती थी.
अच्छा. तो
वो बाद में खिड़की विड़की हो गया. तो अब अगर आप उनसे उस लहजे में बात करना, तो शी वुड से ये दरीचा है, ये तख्त है. तो कभी कभी मस्ती में हम बोलते थे प्लीज प्रेस 2 फॉर उर्दू. तो यस, दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, अच्छा, बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल्सो ऑल द बॉलीवुड मूवीज दैट यू वॉच्ड, बिकॉज देयर नो एस्केप बॉलीवुड, देयर इज नो एस्केपिंग इट. And movies and stuff and all the stalwarts and singers of legends of times, you tend to pick up on the language. Then you study it as well. So I studied in Karachi when my mother and father got divorced. We went to Pakistan because one of my popos, she was married to someone from Pakistan, and we studied there. So जब आप obviously when you're in Pakistan, so I was in St. Paul's school. So one of the languages you have to say okay, not the harder one. They'll give you as a
Elementary.
foreigner, they'll give you the elementary
Elementary.
one. But elementary, I never did anything elementary in life. अब करना है तो फिर पूरे passion से करना है. So I studied Mir Taqi Mir as well. मैं वो पढ़ता था side में बैठ के.
क्या बात है.
गालिब साहब and बेसिस क्या है शायरी की. कई दफ़ा सिंगिंग हो या आप कोई शेर कह रहे हो, हर एक चीज़ जो लिखी गई है उसका वजन है, शायर ने किसी वजह से लिखी है. कोई भी एक लफ्ज़ आप उठा लो तो वो स्टडी करते. सो देन इट गेट्स पॉलिश्ड एंड ऑल. एंड देन आई वाज लकी इनफ टू हैव फ्रेंड्स एज वेल अराउंड जो उर्दू बोलते थे. सो वी पिक्ड अप ऑन इट.
एंड आई थिंक क्रिकेट ने और थोड़ा सा हेल्प किया.
क्रिकेट की वजह से पंजाबी भी सीख गया ना, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट इन्फ्लक्स एज वेल. एंड यूएई की जो टीम थी, इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ टीम ऑफ लाइक मल्टीपल नेशनैलिटीज. The first coach that we had was amazing coach, and that is one of the guys that was एक hidden inspiration he used to give you. 1983 World Cup winner Madan Lal साहब, he was our coach. तो मैंने पहला जब नेट सेशन किया ना, तो वो नेट सेशन में मैं 4-5 बैट्समैन खिला के, जून की गर्मी में 4-5 दे. अच्छा उस टाइम पे लाइट वाइट्स को हिसाब किताब नहीं था, फ्लड लाइट्स में आप आके बॉल कर लो. White shirt पहनी हुई, trousers, and you're bowling with a red ball. Nothing like red ball cricket. तो करते करते 4-5 बैट्समैन खिलाए, and I was I think 17-18, and my elder brother, Amin bhai,
I know.
So he took me there the first time. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कहा राउंड भागो, तो राउंड भाग लिए. फिर अच्छा कल से नेट पे आ जाना. तो पहले दूसरे नेट में 4-5 बैट्समैन जब मैंने खिलाए, तो मैं खिला के मैं बोला सर ये बॉल हो गया. जी सर, ऐसे नहीं खेल सकता तू इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट. मतलब ही वाज लाइक टॉन्टिंग मी इन अ गुड वे. आई वांट टू सी इफ देयर इज समथिंग, सम स्पार्क इन हिम. अच्छा आई टुक इट एज एन ईगो थिंग. अच्छा 17 साल 18 साल वाले को ईगो हो जाएगा ना, यार ये क्या बोल दिया इसने. मैंने कोई 10-15 बैट्समैन खिला दिए. अच्छा मेरी जो शर्ट थी ना, वो थिक, यू यूज्ड टू हैव दोस थिक किट्स वाइट वाले, वो इतनी लटक गई थी, इतना पसीना निकला था. 17-18 बैट्समैन खिला दिए. बट आई रियलाइज्ड कि यार मेरे बीच में मदन लाल भी आके बॉल कर रहा है. ही एट दैट एज ही वाज कमिंग एंड बॉलिंग. पुशअप्स होता था वो करता था, रनिंग होती थी रनिंग भी करते थे. अच्छा वो 15 राउंड नहीं भागेंगे शारजा स्टेडियम, बट वो 2-3 राउंड भागते थे साथ. तो दैट्स एन इंस्पिरेशन टू सी यार, मतलब अब ये कर रहे हैं तो हमने भी करना है. अच्छा उसमें वी हैड इंडियंस, वी हैड श्रीलंकन्स, वी हैड पाकिस्तानीज, वी हैड एट दैट टाइम 2 इमरातीज टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद. सुल्तान ज़राउनी, जिनको एलन डोनाल्ड ने बॉल की थी वो 96 वर्ल्ड कप, एंड सईद अल सफार.
Okay.
So we were, and Saeed Safar and me were very close in age. So we had.
He was also the captain later on, right?
हाँ, later on, him the
And
captain,
you were the vice
and
captain.
हाँ, so हम दोनों साथ ही, we were like that together. And he's, I think second cousin का हो गया. He's my second cousin as well. But he's like my brother. I mean, we were talking off air as well about this. कि अगर मैं कहूँ ना कि मेरे on and off he goes out of the country, he comes back. He's also an Emirati as well. But he, if I ever had a fifth brother, that would be Saeed Al Safar, because we're that close. We're like that. We're very thick. So he recently played a game. We were talking about it, and so that's the two we were together, and then later on others followed. Some Emiratis, sadly none there now. But
उस टाइम की टीम में और आपकी टीम में क्या फर्क है, आदिल भाई? And I know that you're one guy who don't like filters, and that is what I love about you. So I wouldn't want any filters when you.
यार आपको मैं बताऊं कि पहले तो आप अगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे बात करो ना, तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे पहले बात की जाएगी. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, आई वाज डूइंग क्रिकेट कमेंट्री फॉर international radio, Australia versus Pakistan. And a similar question was asked of me. And someone said, what's the difference, not team-wise, he said, what's the difference in cricket then and cricket now?
UAE में.
हाँ. So I said the difference is quantity बढ़ गई है, quality is not the same.
Okay.
Reason being, the quality of the balls that are being used are horrendous.
Okay.
आप भी खेल चुके हो.
True.
सीम ही नहीं है. इट्स लाइक टेप टेनिस. तो बॉलर का तो कुछ रह ही नहीं गया. अच्छा उंगलियों पे लगती है, मेरे आप ये उंगलियां देख लो, सारी टेढ़ी हैं. ये फील्डिंग करते हुए, मैं विकेट कीपर तो हूँ नहीं. विकेट कीपर का ये हाल होता है, हमारा ये हाल है. तो वो एक है. अच्छा बॉल लग जाए तो इतना बड़ा.
क्या रीजन है आदिल भाई? Why
Cost
are we
cutting.
not using?
Yeah, I've said this to a lot of the organizers. If you're charging me for argument's sake per match, if you're charging me 2,000 dirham per team, so 4,000 का है because ground महंगे हैं and all. और some grounds Ajman and all are cheaper. आप 100 dirham per match ज़्यादा ले लो. बॉल तो 100 dirham वाली लगा लो. 100 dirham इसके, 100 dirham दूसरी सामने वाली टीम के. तो 100 dirham का अच्छा बॉल मिलेगा. These are like 15-20 dirham के बॉल यार.
But don't you think एक standardization होना चाहिए from the board also? उसमें उसका भी involvement जरूरी है.
यार वहां तक आई डोंट नो अगर बात जाती है, पहुंचती है कि नहीं पहुंचती है, बिकॉज somebody has to take it to them. क्रिकेट चल रही है वो वाला ना, अच्छा चल रहा है अभी माशाल्लाह, you know, they beat Bangladesh now.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
Massive. But that's also to do a lot with the hard work of the cricketers as well as the coach and the team owners. Do not forget the amount of heavy work the team owners are doing.
You're talking about the domestic cricket team owners, right?
तो वो उनके पेरोल पे है. तो if there is no payroll, these cricketers will not survive here.
Teams like Karwan, teams like
All of
Seven
them.
Districts, teams like
All of them.
Future Mattress.
7 districts ने अब 7-8 ग्राउंड खरीद लिए हैं, वो पूरा स्ट्रिप खरीद लिया अजमान का. Don't forget them. Don't forget Dubai Cricket Council, Amin Farooq as well. I'm not saying it because he's my brother,
Yeah.
but वो
Yeah.
the
But he has
amount
put in
of
the hard
hard
work.
work. मतलब बच्चों को उत्तर लाना, वो बच्चे अब आज UAE खेल रहे हैं and all of them and the
Aryan
respect.
Shanol,
All of
Ali
them.
Shan, you know, all those
Ali
people.
Shan is massive influence today.
Player of the match in the finals.
तो आप वो देखो कि ये बच्चे कहीं से तो आए हैं, कोई एक वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो है. मोहम्मद वसीम वगैरह जो हैं, you know, मोहम्मद वसीम is phenomenal. He's the captain today. Huge respect for him because he's a phenomenal cricketer. आज वो उतना अच्छा है कि he can easily play IPL or PSL or XYZ whatever. Sadly, he didn't get to play PSL, but you know, all of these. These guys are on the payroll of these team owners. Do not forget the effort that these team owners शायद 1.5 easily 2-2.5-3 million तो साल का खर्चते हैं ये. तो that is there.
पर उससे रिटर्न क्या मिलता है इनको, टीम ओनर्स को?
Satisfaction.
That is the only thing.
I think that is what it is. You know, sadly, there's a lot of other owners that stop their teams because वो उनको शायद I don't know, maybe pat on the back नहीं मिला or whatever जो नहीं मिला. So my point again coming to the thing कि ये to your question because we you know moved away from it. I think team में talent उस time पे भी बहुत था. Let me mention, I mentioned it on my Instagram today. And I'll ask you, and you'll tell me what I know as a general thing. The first international double 100 was by who? Sachin.
Sachin Tendulkar. Yeah.
No.
ODIs.
No.
It was by a woman cricketer. No.
2009 ACC Champions Trophy, ACC qualifier. Saeed Al Safar.
Wow. I didn't know that.
209 not out in Malaysia. 209 not out.
Wow.
Okay. एक क्लिपिंग छोटी सी आ गई एक न्यूज़पेपर में, double 100 by UAE कैप्टन सईद अल सफार.
And it was an
Not
official
out.
ODI.
नहीं ODI नहीं था ऑफिशियल, बट इट्स ऑफिशियल इंटरनेशनल. उसके बाद तो बाकी वो एक और ने भी किसी ने किया, वो आइलैंड वाले ने किए, किसने पता नहीं किसने किया, 208 किए. 209 तो उसका था कितने साल से, 97, 96, 98. मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आप देखना, आज ही मैंने पोस्ट किया बाय वर्चुअल. क्या मिला? तो वो एक एंड इट्स नॉट कि बोर्ड की गलती है व्हाटएवर, वो उतना हाइप ही नहीं था उस टाइम पे. हाँ कर लिया, 200 कर लिया, ठीक है अब आगे करेंगे व्हाटएवर. द थिंग इज कि टैलेंट उस टाइम पे भी था. अच्छा 200 है, भले ही उसमें एक कैच ड्रॉप हुआ हो या 10 ड्रॉप हुए हो, 200 है. 15 छक्के मारना मीन्स आपने 15 दफा ग्राउंड पार किया है. ठीक है ना. बाउंड्री अगर आप मार रहे हो, एक आदम इस फील्ड में आपने बोल दिया यार फील्डिंग गंदी की. अच्छा उसमें अगर आप देखोगे थाईलैंड की टीम में थाई कोई भी नहीं था, इंडियंस एंड पाकिस्तानी.
सब जैसे यूएई की टीम खेल रही
तो
थी,
ऐसा
वैसे
भी आप नहीं कह रहे कि आपने किसी एक थाई बंदे को पकड़ के बोल दिया आजा भाई, वो जो मसाज वाला हो तो इधर बॉल कर ले. सो इट्स नॉट, दे क्रिकेटर्स एंड इट्स अ नेशनल टीम. जो स्कोरिंग 209 एट दैट टाइम
was a big deal.
वो बाद में हुए, इंटरनेशनल हुए. सचिन इज सचिन, इज यू नो फॉर लॉट ऑफ इंडियंस गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट. आई मीन वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट बैट्समैन एवर. बट वो था, तो टैलेंट वॉज ऑलवेज देयर. हैट्रिक्स थे. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल स्पेल्स वॉज रमीज शहजाद's father, Shahzad Altaf. One of my consistent roommates in all of my tours.
अच्छा.
Shahzad bhai and me go long way back. So Ramiz is like my kid as well. So वो उनका I think 10 overs, some 6 maidens and against Holland, 96 World Cup. आप देखिएगा World Cup में काफी टाइम तक that stood as one of the most economical 50 over format में spell. तो टैलेंट ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं था, टैलेंट बहुत था, बट वो टैलेंट का इधर है, इसके बाद इसको और इनहेंस कैसे करना है, नए बच्चे कब लाने हैं। अच्छा, हमारे साथ गलत भी बहुत होता था उस टाइम पे। गलत किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट से होता था कि ये टीम क्वालिफाई कर गई एशिया कप के लिए, ओवरएवर के लिए, या यहाँ जीते जीते अब हम समझे फाइनल में हार गए बांग्लादेश से। वी यूज्ड टू हैमर बांग्लादेश बिफोर, तो वो ग्रोथ कहाँ क्यों नहीं हुई, वो XYZ जो भी फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन, बट वो दैट पार्ट वाज कि हर इंसान की एक जर्नी होती है, उसमें अब पास्ट में से हम किसी को निकाल के कीना निकालेंगे, फायदा नहीं है। बट वो क्या हुआ कि वहां हम जब पहुंचे ना, वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई किया हमने 96 का, अनबीटन, सुल्तान जराउनी, एंड देयर वाज लाइक दीज 14-15 guys who had all played Ranji and Wills Trophy and all, and phenomenal cricketers. One of the top all-rounders in the world that I've seen, that I've played against and with, and a very dear friend, like very, very close to me, was Arshad Laik. His brother Athar Laik played in पाकिस्तान। एक मैच में क्या हुआ, वो एशिया कप था, पता नहीं कौन सा था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एशिया कप, उसमें अथर लाइक को उन्होंने नहीं खिलाया, यहाँ अरशद लाइक खेल रहा था, खेलता तो रिकॉर्ड हो जाता। टू ब्रदर्स प्लेइंग फॉर टू डिफरेंट नेशंस, सो जस्ट फॉर द उसके लिए ही पाकिस्तान अगर खिलाते तो कमाल हो जाता, वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड। तो दीज क्रिकेटर्स वर देयर सिंगल हैंडेडली, हर कोई के अंदर इतना टैलेंट था मैच जिताने वाला। माइंडसेट शायद, मेंटल कोच, आज हम बात करते हैं मेंटल लेवल ऑफ मेंटल आपकी यू नो स्ट्रेंथ एंड ऑल दैट, शायद उस टाइम पे नहीं था। सब नौकरी करते थे, वीकेंड क्रिकेटर्स थे। क्वालिफाई कैसे करे, कैसे किया क्वालिफाई, सारे ग्राउंड तो सीमेंट थे, टर्फ पे क्वालिफाई कैसे किया, ग्रिट पे क्वालिफाई किया। साल का एक टूर्नामेंट होता था रमजान का, 35 ओवर्स शारजा स्टेडियम में, फटा विकेट, लाइक फ्लैट विकेट। और साल का एक टूर्नामेंट होता था जिसके अगर 5 मैच है ना, 5 में से 4 होंगे सीमेंट पे, एक होगा शारजा स्टेडियम बुखातर लीग, विच इज वन ऑफ द लॉन्गेस्ट स्टैंडिंग लीग्स। कैसे क्वालिफाई किए? How did you go unbeaten from first match to final, beating Kenya in Kenya? And at that time, Kenya was good. So how did you go there? By grit, by determination. अच्छा, वो खत्म करके वापस आए, ACC, एशिया कप, ACC जो है, एशियन क्रिकेट काउंसिल, नया रूल लगा दिया। क्या रूल लगा दिया भाई? सॉरी, आपकी कंट्री में इट हैज टू बी 9 UAE born और UAE nationals and 2 नॉन UAE born। ठीक है, आपने लगा दिया रूल, चलो नया रूल है ना, नो प्रॉब्लम। करते 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 टीम बनाई, टीम बना के फाइनल में हम बांग्लादेश से आ रहे। सो वी डिडंट क्वालिफाई 1995-96 फॉर द एशिया कप, वी डिडंट क्वालिफाई, द फाइनलिस्ट वुड क्वालिफाई। बाद में उन्होंने कर दिया कि अब 2 टीमें करेंगी क्वालिफाई, तो वहाँ हम हार के अब ये टीम अच्छा होना शुरू हुई, अच्छी होना शुरू हुई, इधर उधर जाके टीमों को हराना शुरू हुई। नया रूल डाल दिया एशिया कप ने, एशिया काउंसिल ने। 5 can be so many years, 4 have to be in the playing 11 UAE born। अच्छा, आपने पूरा सेटअप फिर बिगाड़ दिया। अब फिर आप लाओ जो पुराने प्लेयर थे उनको, जो
ये नोइंगली किया गया है आपके हिसाब से?
यार देखो, एशिया कप, एशियन क्रिकेट काउंसिल और ICC के ये जो इनके कारनामे, ये तो मतलब यू नो, इफ यू सी, I'll say the positive side of it, and negative आप खुद समझ जाओगे। We beat all of these teams consistently to qualify in this and Asia Cup and whatever, Asia Cup qualifier and ICC World Cup qualifiers and all that, consistently आप उनको beat कर रहे हो। 1996 में हमने खेला पहला वर्ल्ड कप, पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में जो हुआ था, वो वर्ल्ड कप कट टू, हम उसके बाद वर्ल्ड कप कब खेले? 2015। बिग गैप, राइट? ट्रू। Khurram Khan and them guys were there and they pushed and they really worked hard and they qualified. Hats off to them, you know. 96 से लेके 2015 तक बांग्लादेश शायद 70-80 टेस्ट मैच खेल चुका था। 96 में बांग्लादेश को हम हरा चुके थे, 96 वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर के लिए। 96 में हम बांग्लादेश से फाइनल में हारे एशिया क्वालिफायर के लिए। 99 में, which you know everyone knows about, बांग्लादेश बीट पाकिस्तान इन दी वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई करने के बाद। 99 खत्म होने तक बांग्लादेश वाज टेस्ट स्टेटस। हैट्स ऑफ टू अशरफुल हक, जो इनका वो एक काउंसिल का इनका मेंबर था। हम 96 में वर्ल्ड कप खेले, हमारा डाउनस्लाइड हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड ऑल दैट। अशरफुल हक फॉट फॉर हिज टीम, ये पॉजिटिव साइड है। हम 2015 में खेले, अब ODI स्टेटस वगैरह सब कुछ. I feel today that they're going in the right direction with these young boys like all of the Babi man of the final and Sari apne bache Mohammad Wasim and all of these kids that are playing now. I think they're in the right direction. Chop and change नहीं होना चाहिए. Every time you want someone new, you can bring in one. See, for instance, आप context उठा लो. IPL यहाँ कितनी दफा हुआ? बहुत दफा हुआ.
3-4.
PSL भी हुआ.
Yeah, of course.
आपने उनको बुला लिया, आ जाए आके खेल ले. हम easily for positivity and for growth of cricket ये कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे आप IPL कर लो, आप PSL कर लो, no problem, Bismillah, because we're UAE, we have our open arms policy. Come. We always like that. And UAE as a nation has always been like that. That's why we have 200 plus nationalities here.
Of course.
But आपके dugout में as a squad 2 हमारे player बैठेंगे. खिलाओ नहीं. But let them learn from you.
Yeah.
They will be with you. अच्छा उसका होटल का खर्चा भी हम दे देंगे जहाँ वो रहेगा वगैरह. By watching you learn so much. These cricketers will learn so much. ILT20 में ही खेल के बच्चे कितना अलीशान वगैरह कितना सीख गए भाई. अलीशान is one of the most dreaded cricketers right now when you're bowling to him.
Yeah.
But it's his hard work as well. It's the board pushing him as well. And his team pushing him as well. DCC as well. Dubai Cricket Council, Starlets, ये सारे वहीं से बच्चे आए. Starlets नाम मैंने रखा था.
अच्छा.
हाँ, we can come back to it. हम joking करते हैं. हाँ, alhamdulillah चल रहा है. And hats off to Vikram Kaul. Allah, God bless his soul as well. He passed away recently. He was one of my mentors.
Okay.
And he was part of the CBFS setup then. So yeah, I mean,
क्रिकेट की बात मतलब एक पूरा
नहीं,
एपिसोड
वो मेरे ख्याल 3-4 पॉडकास्ट
मतलब वो एक करेंगे अलग से, बिल्कुल क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करेंगे. बट यू हैव नॉट जस्ट बीन अ क्रिकेटर. चलिए क्रिकेट की बहुत सारी बात हो गई और बहुत सारी बात इंशाल्लाह आगे भी करेंगे. बट क्रिकेट के बाद यू बिकेम अ कॉप. ये कब हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ? मतलब आई मीन बिल्कुल कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस हैं दोनों.
यार क्रिकेट वॉज यहाँ उस टाइम पे ना, मैं बताऊं तुम्हें फैजान, क्रिकेट वॉज नेवर अ प्रोफेशन एट दैट टाइम. You can probably call it a semi-profession now because of some payments.
Yeah.
अभी भी वो नहीं है. अभी भी आप वो weekends ही होता है. अब because of the floodlights everywhere and so many grounds, it's become little more. हाँ, matches ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. जिसमें आपको बता रहा था एक मैच खेले, उसने 250 मैच खेले, 35,000 रन किए. Guns for hire. But खेले तो खेले. So I think what it was I was always हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे. I was in Australia at that time studying. I came back specifically कि मुझे UAE के लिए खेलना था. मैंने डैड को बोला मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ.
और हुआ ना सिलेक्शन, हुआ था 96
थोड़े टाइम नहीं यार. मैं सैडली ना so I was in the 18th squad of the World Cup. शायद मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ नहीं 16 के स्क्वाड में नाम कट गया. नसीब की बात है, जो है वो है. बट आई वॉज हैप्पी दैट माई ब्रदर सईद अल सफार वेंट एंड ही वाज द वाइस कैप्टन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड एट दैट टाइम. तो उससे पहले हम टूर कर चुके थे. सेल ट्रॉफी में सईद गया था, पाकिस्तान टूर पे मैं गया था. सो वी हैड टू एंड दैट वाज देयर एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज हैप्पी व्हेन ही वाज देयर. इट्स लाइक आई एम देयर, ही इज माय ब्रदर. तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि वो अब एक बैंक में काम कर रहा था नॉर्मल. ठीक है, काम करो, तनख्वाह कितनी है, जो भी मिल रही है. अच्छा उस टाइम पे इतना वो नहीं था कि इमारती रखना है. तो हम काम कर रहे हैं. डैड को फोन, डैड इधर देख लो. Commercial Bank of Dubai, I think I started with, if I remember correctly. It's a long time ago. If I make mistakes, sorry to all the banks. HSBC I worked for. But never felt that thing कि यार काम करना है, सुबह उठ के जाना है. I used to always look for excuses. सच बताऊं तो आज मेरे सर में दर्द है, आज मुझे माइग्रेन है. And it's a young boy. So
फिर मैं ये समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, how did the police job happen?
So I left banking. I said यार अभी मैंने नहीं करना. एक पोर्टल था, तन्मिया था कुछ नाम था उसका, उसमें मैंने अपनी CV अपलोड कर दी. बाय लक ABN AMRO के टाइम पे आई डिड एन एंटी मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का कोर्स. शॉर्ट कोर्स था वो, उसमें मेंशन था CV में. अच्छा, मुझे सुबह 7:30 बजे ना कॉल आई दुबई पुलिस से. अच्छा उस टाइम पे वो लिखा नहीं होता था, दुबई पुलिस जॉब लिखा होता है. कॉल उठाई, बोला दिस इज now I don't want to take names, but it was my boss. He said this is such and such and he has a big influence on my today's life. He said to me, I'll call his nickname, say Boomer. Umar's dad, which is in Arabic. So Boomer, he called and he said such and such a person from Dubai police. अच्छा मैं ना डर गया.
कि अब मैंने क्या कर दिया.
नहीं मैं शायद I used to have a Mustang 5 liter
okay.
convertible black color, my first car.
Perks of
बोला
being
शायद-
an Amarati.
नहीं, perks of, I'll tell you, I'll come back to this lesson.
Okay.
My dad gave me a very beautiful lesson in life. So that was my first car. Remind me about my first
ठीक
car.
है, ठीक.
तो मैं बोला यार मैंने शायद कोई ट्रैफिक लाइट तोड़ दिया, कुछ कर दिया. So he said, we saw your CV on this portal and would you be interested in working for Dubai Police? तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक अच्छा मेरी अरबिक ना उतनी उस टाइम पे पॉलिश नहीं थी. पाकिस्तान में पढ़ा, केम बैक इन बैंकिंग, सूट वूट पहनता था
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
मैं,
चले गए
सूट
and
वूट
all
पहनता था मैं. तो ठीक है, इतना वो नहीं था कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग है बीइंग एन इमराती अरबिक शुड बी दिस वन. अच्छा डैड यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल अ लॉट, तो वो भी नहीं था कि डैड भी समझा के अरबी सीखो, इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई लाइक yeah, but my father always, and my friends always say, and cousins, that you have to know Arabic so well, and if you want to be in the law enforcement or naval side or military side and all. He said, that's not your problem. We know your family background, and we know this. Are you interested? I said, I would love to. And you're working for your country. In military nahi, so police sahi. Come to the headquarters at 9 o'clock, I think I remember. I said, okay, which department? Anti-organized crime. मैंने ऑर्डर किया. घबरा गया अंदर से. 18-19 शायद 20 साल का होऊंगा मैं. मैंने कहा ये क्या होगा. अच्छा went and so there I went to the front of the thing. I'm wearing a suit. See the thing. अभी तक आप हमारे दिमाग में वो नहीं आया कि इमराती should be this way. And I said, I want to see such and such. So he said, what for? I said, I have an interview. So call kara. I went and I met him. He did the interview and he said, when can you start? I said, anytime. So he said, apna medical kara lo. I went and I did my medical and I came back, and next day he called me. He said, you're starting from tomorrow.
अच्छा.
They saw something in me, some spark. I don't know what it was. Allah bless all of them. I went the next day. I went in a suit and clean shaven. तो इमरान खान तो अपना वो था ना, मतलब long hair.
Icon, yeah.
Hey, I went and I said, I want to see such and such. Boomer. What for? I said, I'm working here. उसने नीचे से ऊपर तक मुझे देखा. The name? I was like, I've come for work. Because for him it was shocking. ये suit में क्या बंदा है? He didn't know I'm Emirati. And my get-up wasn't Emirati.
Yeah.
Picked up the phone. The guy said, let him in. I went in. I said, sorry, I'm late. He said, he said, Adul Bagul Lakshay. I was like, what? He says, listen, your attire makes a difference because you're Emirati. Do you have a kandura? He's like, yeah, I'm home. I would have something. Go home now. See, this is the Dubai police. Go home now, change and come back. I went and I came back. It was easier to get in this time. I went in.
Obviously, yeah.
Easier to get in. Easier. Not very easy, but easier. Because my Arabic wasn't... He looked at me, he said, mashallah, mashallah, tal, ageless. So I sat down. I said, yes. So he said, you don't have Agal Ghatra? I was like, no, Boomer. He said, come with me. He took me to one of the shops. He bought me Agal Ghatra from his money.
Okay.
I said, I don't know how to wear this. He said, yeah, Dul, and say Emirati. And he got like,
Yeah.
Emirati, but in a nice way. He stood there, he taught me how to wear it.
Okay.
We came back. On the way back, he told me, this is your national dress. It's fine. I'm not saying, but your mother is Pakistani, irrelevant. Your father is Emirati. Your whole heritage is from this country. You're Emirati. Be proud to be that. I said, no, I am proud. He said, but, get into the heritage side of things and embrace your nationality. One more thing he told me. I said, yes. No more shaving, huh? So what do you mean? I said, keep a beard. It looks nice. It's the culture.
Yeah.
It's part of, then he went into part of Islam and all that. I said, okay, Boomer. So, and then he taught me. So then he gave me this paperwork and he said, yeah, you have to, I'm going on some, he had some conference somewhere, Germany somewhere. You have to enter all of these in and out. Done. Ek hafte baad wapas aake he asked me, he said, ye kar liya sara? I said, yeah, I did all of them. So it was like 60,000 entries or something. He said, "Khalas, he threw it in the dustbin, like away." I said, "What this entry? I just wanted to see if I tell you something, we're going to do it or not."
Commitment, basically.
See, timing he taught me about, being committed, never being late, and cricket ने तो बहुत कुछ सिखाया in terms of fighting wars in life. But these guys, they taught me a lot. And then they told me every hour, one day during the day, we'll talk to you in Arabic. So you learn your language.
Okay. So ऐसा सीखे. 10 साल काम किया आपने दुबई पुलिस में. Why did you leave it?
I think nothing that, I still have an amazing relationship with them, an open door policy. I was one of the guys who was awarded by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed for anti-money laundering and stuff and all. But I think, personal life was getting impacted in the terms like, you're on standby all the time. And I wanted some growth maybe at that time, through salary should be higher. Like, I have ambitions and all. 10 years was good enough, it was nice. And
was it ever a problem because you were singing also at that time? And
in a very gentle way. I think not because there are a lot of, I think at that time there were some singers that were singing in Arabic, and they were working for the Dubai police, were gentle as like, they not in a bad way. They would never dissuade you from your talent as long as it's not clashing with your work. So कई दफा Friday को I used to be at a cricket ground because उस time पे Saturday Sunday was not off. Friday was off. So I would keep my mobile phone in the pocket of the umpire. कि call आ गई, you're on standby. So there's been a couple of instances where I had to leave a match.
oh, okay.
A division का match because
And what if you were playing international at that time?
नहीं, but then you're on leave now.
Okay.
So you
अच्छा,
take
तो
a
मिल
leave
जाती
ना.
थी आसानी से
हाँ,
दुबई पुलिस?
थोड़ा वो बोलते थे आज dual cricket show cricket या कोई play football. They would like because they all love football.
Yeah,
So but वो दे देते थे. They used to give.
Okay. आपने we will come to singing अभी थोड़ी देर में, but you've worn so many hats. What would you tell a young kid trying to do it all? Very briefly, if you have to give an advice to a young kid.
Trying to, you mean try? Yeah, I think the key to anything that you want to do is passion and wholehearted commitment. Commitment नहीं है तो 80% कर पाओगे. Commitment has to be there and passion. Discipline is very, very important. I think once long time ago, my mother said something, and we were just discussing something. वो cricket match पे ही था. She used to come to our cricket games. मेरे shows पे आती थी वो.
Okay.
So it was like, ये कर रहा है, and I'm planning on doing this. She used to tell me, if you have passion and a little bit of talent, like 2% talent to do something, try it, because with 100% commitment. Try it, 2% वो है, आपका talent. Try it with 100% commitment. Sometimes 98% luck comes and makes it 100%. It happens.
Yeah.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि आप नहीं कर सकते. Sky is the limit, man. I mean, see, a lot of times, whatever you want to do, family is very important. Your surrounding, your circle is very important for these kids. Never tell someone you can't do it. किसी बच्चे को ये मत बोलो you can't do it. Because you're restricting him. Do it. गिरेगा एक दफा गिरेगा, 2 दफा गिरेगा. All the successful people failed 100 times. The 101st time was when they became successful, and today they are icons. Now, it's our surrounding that says, मत करो, अरे तू कैसे करेगा? You can't do it, man. You're not capable. It actually stops people. So do it, and everyone else around them should support them.
Let's come to singing now. You've opened for legends like Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. You've opened for legends like Sonu Nigam tha.
No, I have not opened for him. I've never had the.
Okay.
अच्छा, Sonu Nigam is one guy. उसके लिए कोई open नहीं करता. वो Sonu Nigam है. वो 3 घंटे खुद गाता है. So he's next level icon.
But you have sung with him,
With
haven't
him,
you?
मतलब वो just some wedding thing or whatever, वो सोनू भाई गा रहे हैं, आजा, so I'll sing. Or if I'm singing, like I've done this cover of इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की. So he loves that version. So he'll come in and he'll sing with me. Some songs, we'll do whatever. कभी ऐसे ही बैठे हुए 2 लाइन मैंने गा दी, 2 लाइन उन्होंने गा दी है. ये मेरा, I'll tell you something. मैं उनके टखने के बराबर भी नहीं हूँ as a singer. Okay? Let's make it very, very clear. I'm not a learned singer or whatever. That's why I love Kishore Kumar so much, because Kishore Kumar is
Learned नहीं
थे.
रफी साहब
हाँ, तो
सीख
मेरे
के आए
लिए
थे,
it's easier to say, and Allah's given me, because of genetics, He's given me a heavy voice.
baritone, yeah.
हाँ, तो वो उसकी वजह से शायद वो heavier tone voices अच्छे लगते हैं. But see, उसमें मेरा कोई कमाल नहीं है. उसमें सोनू निगम की greatness है कि he felt at that time, whether it was a private show or whatever, that यार ये बंदा शायद इतना लायक है, worthy है कि मेरे साथ खड़े होके गाए. Come
3
on,
things
it's Sonu
that
Nigam, man.
you love about Sonu Nigam. Just 3 things.
Yeah, there can never be 3 things that I love about him.
फिर भी, that's the
उसके
difficult
ऊपर भी,
part, ना,
you know,
3
that,
choose
हाँ, so I can actually do a whole sitting here, a whole podcast about Sonu Nigam with you. See, he's always been very, I think one would be very humble. Forever learning.
Okay.
वो कभी भी नहीं कहेंगे मुझे सब कुछ आता है. आता सब कुछ है. You will never say I learn everything. I know everything. These two, and obviously, he's got a very, very similar to me, very loving towards his mother.
Okay.
And we both had
वो
the
भी
same.
हमेशा अपने concerts में mention
उनकी
करते
अम्मी
हैं
को भी
हमेशा.
कैंसर
Yeah.
हुआ and she passed away, so we share that bond as well. And so I can't. There's so much more, yaar. I mean, he's.
Okay. So if I ask you to give him a call right now, can you call him? वो relationship है आपका?
If he's not in a show anywhere,
He
and
will
he's
pick
not-
it up.
Normally he does.
Can you do it right now, आदिल भाई? Let's see. बस उनसे ये बोलिए कि आप द मजलिस शो पर बैठे हैं एंड द होस्ट वांट्स टू से हाय, तो फैजान को हाय बोलना है.
Sure. Is he?
कैसे मेरे भाई?
I'm good. Sonu bhai, how are you?
I'm good.
क्या जिम में हो?
बस हाँ वो रियाज और वर्कआउट दोनों कर रहा हूँ.
वेरी गुड. हाँ, वो आपकी आदत. अच्छा, आई एम सिटिंग एट दिस मजलिस शो. मैं एक पॉडकास्ट में हम आपकी बात कर रहे थे, तो जो हमारे होस्ट, हाँ, तो हमारे जो होस्ट हैं उनका नाम है फैजान. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा अगर आप कॉल करोगे तो उठाएंगे. मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स, मेरे भाई हैं वो.
बिल्कुल उठाएंगे, अरे मेरा भाई है.
So he wanted to say hi to you.
Hi Sonu साहब, it's a pleasure talking to you. I've talked to you on the radio एक बार, but इस बार दोबारा बात हो रही है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सोनू सर.
अरे आदिल भाई, मुझे अगर फोन करेंगे तो मैं वर्कआउट के बीच में, मैं सेट के बीच में, मैं भी यू कैन मेक अप फ्रॉम माय पैंटिंग. मैं तो इस नाच ले रहा हूँ, लेकिन आदिल फारूक का कॉल आए तो मैं उठाऊं नहीं. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है भाई?
Thank you so much सोनू सर. Thank you for honoring us.
लव यू भाई. आप
क्या करें आप
क्या
लोग
आज
आज
बस
क्या बातें कर रहे हैं?
सर जिंदगी के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं, और क्रिकेट के बारे में, और फिर म्यूजिक के बारे में, फिर सोनू निगम के बारे में बातें. मैंने कहा वो मेरे भाई हैं. हम वो इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि तीन चीजें जो आपको सोनू के बारे में पसंद है वो बताएं. मैंने कहा 3 नहीं हो सकते, इस पे एक पूरा पॉडकास्ट होगा.
थैंक यू मेरे भाई. अपना
चल,
ख्याल रखिए आप लोग.
carry on,
Have a good podcast.
Thank you so much सोनू भाई.
थैंक यू. लव यू भाई. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.
That's beautiful. That's wonderful. That's the kind of relationship you have.
ऐसे मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं. हाँ, मैं ऐसे 2-3 लोग हैं सिर्फ. अच्छा, जितना मैंने अपना सर्कल छोटा किया ना, उतना इनर पीस मुझे मिला है. कमाल बात है.
Okay.
There will be a lot of fair weather friends with you in life, and there will be a lot of people who are just around. So आप अकेले पैदा हुए हो, अकेले मरोगे. ठीक है. एक सफर है, जिसने साथ आना है बिस्मिल्लाह, तवक्कल अल्लाह. जिसने साथ नहीं आना है, आपकी मर्जी, बिस्मिल्लाह, ऑन योर वे. हम सबसे, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला.
ये गा के ही सुना देते अगर तो मजा आता.
मैं कुछ आपको अभी सुनाऊंगा आगे,
अच्छा,
बट
ठीक.
नॉट दिस,
Okay,
बट समथिंग
okay.
एल्स. तो सोनू भाई इज वन ऑफ दोस गाइज. फहद अल हाशमी इज वन ऑफ दोस गाइज. सईद अल सफार इज
आपने
वन
अपने
ऑफ दोस.
बेटे का नाम फहद अल हाशमी पे रखा है.
हाँ भाई, गलती हो गई. दोनों बड़े इन अ जोकिंग मैनर, बट दोनों बड़े शैतान हैं. सो बट या
ओके. अमराती म्यूजिक कभी आपने परसू क्यों नहीं किया?
उसकी 2 वजूहत हैं. वन, because I see, मेरी एक आदत है. When I sing English, I make sure that my accent is proper. And the other thing is that I need to feel the music. I love, अगर आप मेरी गाड़ी में भी बैठोगे, you'll hear a lot of Arabic music in there. But because I've never studied here, my pronunciation, my grammatical mistakes are probably a lot. That's why a lot of times जब आप बात कर रहे हो ना किसी से, like they'll come to where I work, Toyota, Al Futtaim. I'm the regional business manager there. So I meet a lot of clients, and Emiratis come and all as well. So they ask me, they said, "You're a Marathi, that's fine, but your accent is different." And I tell them very proudly, my mother's Pakistani, and I studied abroad. But I didn't make that mistakes with my sons. I made sure that I push them towards the language because it's part of your culture. तो वो मैं हमेशा ये हुआ मेरे साथ कि कभी मैं सोचता था यार अमर दियाब का मुझे गाना करना है तमल्ली माक or something like that, whatever, any other song, Qusadayni and all that, and beautiful songs, Hussain Al Jasmi ke gaane hain. So a lot of these Arabic musicians are there, and some fabulous songs. करूं बोलते यार नहीं अभी नहीं करते, मेरा accent is probably not proper. I can do it, but I never.
पर आपने किया है कभी किसी का कवर?
Arabic नहीं.
Would you want to do it?
You never know, man. I'm on the verge of doing about 4, 5, 6 songs together. Maybe शायद 2 हफ्ते में with Atif and go and record at his studio. A couple of them will be covers, and maybe 3 or 4 would be original. So inshallah.
All right.
Yeah.
चलिए,
Venturing back into
move
music
on
after
करते
2 years. Last song recorded was कोई फरियाद.
मुझे याद है आपने अपनी अम्मी की वजह से उस टाइम पर गाना बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया था.
यार दिल नहीं होता था. देख मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, मुझे अल्लाह ने I think I've been blessed to live multiple lives in one lifetime. Cricketer, singer.
पुलिस ऑफिसर.
हाँ, one of them acting.
कितने लोग पुलिस ऑफिसर बन पाते हैं? आप बने?
दुआएं हैं लोगों की, acting, banking. Now, today I'm dealing with automotive side, which I love. It's one of the most satisfying jobs I've done in my life. So इसमें अगर आप देखोगे in terms of जो भी life आपकी गुजरी है, जो मैंने किया है, इसमें all of these cricket वगैरह and singing, ये by virtue of अम्मी कहती थी I would love for one son of mine to be a singer. अल्लाह ने मुझे सिंगर बना दिया. By dua, by whatever, and I love music. I want to see one of my kids playing cricket international. मैं भी खेला हूँ, मेरे भाई भी खेले, but I did. I want to see one of my sons, 5 बेटे हैं, one of my sons do acting. मैं वो भी कर लिया. तो I've been blessed that way. अम्मी ने जब भी शायद दुआ मांगी होगी तो my शायद अल्लाह ने सुन लिया. Yes, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. वो तो हाँ, everyone says that.
अच्छा, स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसी जब जर्नी चल रही होती है, आसान नहीं है. क्रिकेट में ही अपने आप में घुसना, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेलना आसान नहीं है. देन बीइंग अ पुलिस ऑफिसर 10 साल वहाँ पर रहना आसान नहीं है. देन मूविंग आउट ऑफ इट, स्टिल प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, सिंगर बनना, ओपन करना फॉर बिग पीपल. सोनू निगम से आपने बात करके दिखाई दिया है कि what kind of regard he holds you in. And of course, it has to do something with your talent as well. What kind of struggles have you faced in life? Especially अगर आपने सिंगिंग के बारे में बात की थी, मुझे याद है एक इंटरव्यू था, I think it was on one of the leading portals in the UAE. I think खलीज पे या गल्फ पे आपने किया था. एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था जिसमें आपने स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में बात की थी सिंगिंग के. मैं जनरली लाइफ के स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ आपके, क्योंकि लगता है ना सबको एज एन अमराती बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है.
हाँ, बहुत लोग ऐसा समझते हैं. So there's a very old friend of mine, and she's part of the setup in Bollywood, and we spoke थोड़ा टाइम पहले, and वही बात हुई कि स्ट्रगल पे बात हुई तो बोल रहे नो Emiratis don't struggle. I was like, हम इंसान नहीं हैं. We are, and we do struggle because then see, anytime you want to do something different away from the tide, you will face struggles in life. You need to have that commitment, you need to have that belief in you, and sometimes support as well from behind you, which could be in terms of your father, your mother, brother, sisters, wife, husband, anyone.
Even from the government as an
हाँ, नहीं, हमारी government तो आपको पता है वो they're phenomenal,
they're amazing,
absolutely
phenomenal.
amazing, and they're nothing better. I don't think any other government is as good as ours, and that shows in how the country is prospered.
Yeah.
God, Allah give long life to all of our leaders. I think वो एक issue वो था कि अच्छा ये इमाराती है बट ये उर्दू ज़्यादा बोलता है या ये इंग्लिश ज़्यादा बोलता है, तो वहाँ पे एक वो था, बफर था, so you couldn't knock the door and open it, whatever. On the other side, there was a singing side of things. So I did one OST for Pakistan for a drama. I did Parwaz, which was India and Pakistan.
अब कमाल की बात पता है क्या है? मेरा मुझे ऑडिशन के लिए जाना था परवाज में,
अच्छा,
मैं नहीं जा पाया
for
था
one of the roles.
फॉर वन ऑफ द रोल्स.
So
आई थिंक इट वाज अ सपोर्टिंग रोल.
whatever. I mean, I was not going to act in it, by the way. I just did the song for it, and we were sitting in a song sitting. And he said, Adil bhai, my hair was long at that time. So he said, Adil bhai, जरा वो कैमरा के सामने खड़ा. I thought music video वगैरह के लिए करना है.
सोहेल भाई थे ना, सोहेल भाई.
उन्होंने लाइट वाइट ऑन की एंड डायरेक्टर ने बोला आदिल भाई चश्मे पहन लो. मैंने कहा चश्मे क्यों पहना रहे हैं यार म्यूजिक वीडियो के बोर इट. देन ही सेड आप इसमें एक्टिंग करोगे? आई सेड नरेट करो. आई लव बॉलीवुड एंड आई लव मूवीज एंड ऑल. नरेट इट. So he narrated the story and I said, I'll do the negative role. नहीं आदिल भाई आप नेगेटिव क्यों? I said देखो यार, because from my understanding, whether it's a comedic villain or the most psychotic villain in the world, if done correctly, is iconic.
Yeah.
Crime Master Gogo,
100%.
comedic villain.
Yeah,
देखो आप खुद हंस गए ना अभी. But you'll remember every dialogue. Cut to the most psychotic villain, जो अगर Hannibal Lecter है या Heath Ledger. Iconic villains.
True.
If done correctly. तो मैंने कहा अगर 5 मिनट का भी रोल है, अगर मैंने अच्छे से कर लिया, तो people will remember. बड़ा छोटा सा एक वो है कि वो हो गया, खत्म हो गया सारा कुछ. I was going to Pakistan to look at avenues where I can act and stuff and all. And वहाँ I was sitting in business class and people were passing by. There was one family, they started screaming. ये एक छोटा वो fame का and blessing होती है. They came up to me and said, "Can we take a photograph?" I thought maybe for music or something, because I was, or maybe cricket. Cricket इतना नहीं था, but music. I got up. He said, "We loved your work in." I was like, "Where?" So he said, "Oh, Parvaz." I was like, "Oh, you watched it? Oh, your voice." I was like, "My singing." He said, "No, your speaking voice is so
Your
good."
baritone.
Yeah, so the whole family came and took a picture. So I felt proud. Yeah, अच्छा चल मैं,
नहीं, it was one of the most talked about series at that time.
highest rated.
No, highest
6th
rated, no
episode
doubt.
onwards,
Yeah,
when I
yeah.
enter in the thing.
Absolutely. When I entered. Credit.
हाँ, actually है जो है वो है.
Credit where it's
जो है.
due.
Because, yeah.
चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. अब आते हैं टाइगर जिंदा है पर. सलमान खान के साथ काम करने के लिए रोल ऑफर हुआ था आपको, एंड दिस वाज अ विलनस रोल अगेन, अ बिग रोल.
Yeah.
So you were supposed to play one of the villains.
Gee, it was one of the main leads. It was villain side. It was the role of the caliphate leader, the main guy. At that time, the story was, I think, different because Paresh Rawal was also playing a caliphate leader in that.
Okay.
And because of XYZ reasons, we don't want to get into that side of things, but they had some issues with the visas being done because of my mother being Pakistani, and all, which is fine. अगर उस टाइम पे इंडिया पाकिस्तान का कुछ था, that's fine. I mean, so by that time, वो भी luck has it, I had to back out of the movie because the whole unit will not wait for you कि आप वो करोगे. Then I think they changed the story and Paresh Rawal became a clean-shaven middleman, kind of a role change हो गया. I still have Paresh Rawal's photograph
अच्छा.
with that beard on and all, but they changed. So I came back and then my mummy got cancer and अगर वो देखो आप नसीब की बात है, अगर वो मूवी में मैं काम कर जाता और लोगों को थोड़ा मेरा काम पसंद आता, I would have stayed there maybe 6 months there, and I wouldn't have been able to spend that much time with my kids, with my mother, with my family, because you'll then be working more there. But तो it
But
is
do you
what it
regret it?
मुझे
No, it would have been a big deal. सलमान खान की फिल्म में, and टाइगर जिंदा है was a super hit eventually.
Yeah, it was. And it's one of those things. I've had about 2 or 3 meetings with him. Meetings in the sense, meeting him. Once was CCL, Celebrity Cricket League. I was wearing my kandura. He came in, standing apna style mein. And I met him and he took a picture with me. And because I was working for Do at that time, and I was head of Do Live events.
Yeah, I know. I
and
remember.
marketing.
Yeah.
So we sponsored them. तो वो मेरी बात उधर थोड़ी सी बहुत 1.5 मिनट की बात हुई होगी. Then there was another show he did in Dubai Stadium. For that I met him and he loved my jacket. So because I have a collection of leather jackets and boots.
I know.
So he asked for that ये jacket कहाँ से लिया? I tried to find one, I couldn't. Sohail bhai asked me. And so yeah, you do have not regret. You do feel यार कर लेता तो शायद कमाल हो जाता, क्योंकि I think it did like 400-500 crores or something. But मेरा एक मानना है और मैं सीख गया हूँ जिंदगी में, and that's inner peace. Anything that is supposed to happen for you or you're trying to do, ना 1 मिनट पहले होगा ना 1 मिनट बाद में होगा तभी जब अल्लाह चाहता है, and it will happen. Then no other force can stop it. So
All
it's
right. ऑल राइट. सो सलमान खान, हाउ इज ही ऑफ कैमरा? क्योंकि उनके बारे में इतनी सारी चीज़ें सुनी है. हाउ वुड
अच्छा,
यू,
I didn't-
आपके खुद के ऑब्जर्वेशन के हिसाब
Acha,
से
I didn't get to act with him. I was acting with other guys and we were supposed to do a schedule in India.
ओके.
तो वो हम एक शेड्यूल वहाँ कर रहे थे अबू धाबी में. वो एकदम एंड ऑफ अबू धाबी. They had made a camp and everything, desert वाला scene and all. So we did some of the scenes there. And when we were supposed to go, तो ये उसमें भी आया था. There was a lot of talk about YouTube पे भी आ गया था. वो क्या, I think there's one newspaper वहाँ पे भी leak हो गया था आगे. आदिल फारूकी, first Emirati to act in Bollywood, would have been a record. First Emirati to act in
I had
Bollywood.
talked about it on the show.
हाँ, so first Emirati to act in Bollywood and acting as an ISI agent. तो बड़ा ऊहा हुआ कि यार ये तो कमाल रोल होगा ना. Didn't happen. That's fine. But I didn't get to act against him, like with him.
बड़ा मिले हैं ना सलमान से, इसलिए
Couple of times off, and he was cordial. He was nice.
cordial,
ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब देखो जो लोग कहते हैं, देखो कभी कभी ना, because of the star power that you have to act in a certain way. because लोग आपके कपड़े फाड़ देंगे यार. अगर आप सबके साथ courteous हो जाओगे, इतने बड़े actors हैं, हम तो normal है ना यार. People will jump on you like crazy. So yeah, you have to be that way. But everyone knows when it comes to family and everything, all he is a great guy. You know?
One thing about Sonu Nigam that people don't know, but they should.
He's one of the greatest human beings, and he does so much for people behind the scenes that a lot of people don't know. And not including religion. He doesn't care.
Okay. Music versus cricket. Which battle broke you more?
Broke me
Yeah.
more. Wow. Music.
Why?
तकलीफें बहुत मिली है because of the fight that you had to have. So if I'm singing at a show for 10,000 dirhams, you'd have people come in and say 1,500 dirham में गा दो, 2,000 dirhams. It is what it is. आप हंस रहे हो because commentary में भी ऐसे ही होता है.
Okay. Okay. You've got Bollywood friends.
जी.
अब संजय दत्त से भी आपकी दोस्ती है. How real are these people?
Sanjay Dutt is very real. He's very, very busy now, obviously, because of his cancer and making a comeback and all. Very, very real. I just message him on him. I disturb नहीं करता. I think जो लोग जानते हैं, they know he's one of the most genuine guys. आप उसे कहोगे ना आपकी रोलेक्स बहुत अच्छी उतार के दे देगा, आपकी गाड़ी बड़ी अच्छी उठा के दे देगा. He doesn't care two hoots. He's that way. मैंने एक दिन कहा बाबा आपके boots बहुत अच्छे हैं. ले लेना आदिल भाई. Size is different and all. But I asked him where he got them from and I got ones made for me.
Do you still get to meet him though?
Oh no. शायद maybe 6 महीने में साल में एक दफा कहीं मिल लिए तो. But we meet the same way.
Okay. चलिए बहुत क्विकली मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे कि यूएई की टीम के बारे में क्विकली बात कर लेते हैं बिकॉज अभी हमने बांग्लादेश को बीट किया है. सो हु इज योर क्लोजेस्ट बडी इन द यूएई टीम राइट नाउ करंटली, या कोई मेंटोर,
यार
किसी को मेंटोरशिप किया हो?
बड़ी नहीं है. अलीशान शरफू इज वन ऑफ द बॉयज दैट आई हैव सीन ग्रो अप. बट ऐसे कोई बड़ी नहीं है बिकॉज मेरा एज गैप बहुत ज्यादा है. So उनसे
तो
बहुत
आपने
ज्यादा.
मेंटोर किया है कभी? कोचिंग के बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचा आपने? यू हैव कोच्ड अ फ्यू स्मॉलर टीम्स, डिवीजन ए में, डिवीजन बी में, बट आपने कभी इंटरनेशनली कोचिंग के बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचा?
मुझे
दैट इज द ओनली थिंग जो मुझे लगता रहेगा.
शायद से no, I was the manager of the year for Masters Champions League.
Okay.
Sehwag there, Muralidharan Sangakkar and all of that. मुझे वो साइड भी नहीं कभी ऑफर नहीं हुआ. तो अब ऑफर नहीं हुआ तो मैं तो नहीं जाके उनका दरवाजा खटखट I want to do this. If someone asks for help, I don't charge. I just do it.
How were you? Were you rebellious with the authorities or
In
you would
what-
work
which
in
authorities?
sync? Cricket authorities.
Yeah, I've always been a rebel.
Okay.
Always. I've always
Possibly
been
that is the reason why they never called you for a coaching
Probably.
job?
I there's no black or there's no gray in the middle for me.
Okay.
It's black or white.
Okay. Given an opportunity, would you be a coach at ILT20?
I would love to. Even not if coaching management side of things. Yeah, I'd love to. Why
All
not?
right. अभी विराट और रोहित रिटायर हुए हैं टेस्ट से. So give us the unfiltered truth. आपके हिसाब से क्यों रिटायरमेंट लिया? Because विराट was just 36 and अभी बात हो रही थी कि हो सकता है वो कैप्टन करे इंग्लैंड जाकर. आपके हिसाब से क्या?
I think there's too much of back end pressure बड़ा होता है. And Virat is Virat. I think also mentally इतना pressure होता है ना. ये विराट है. He's surpassed a lot of people in terms of ठीक है Sachin Tendulkar, but वो in terms of fan following and all, he's surpassed everything. So I think there's a lot to do with your personal side of battles as well. Sometimes your body is not there. I mean, he's one of the fittest guys. But I think, yeah, thoda, he should have played a little more. He's one of the most, I think by far one of the top batsmen in the world.
What
of
might be
all
the
time.
reason why it didn't work out?
I don't know अगर board के साथ and all, board has always been supportive of him. Probably a lot to do with back end of things and I don't know, maybe family or whatever. So
Fair enough. Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
I don't think he's 14 years old or 17 years old for that matter. Let's be very, very frank and straight.
Okay, नहीं 14 का कह रहे हैं भाई.
नहीं
14
नहीं,
कह
वो कह रहे हैं तो वो कहते रहने दो, कहने को तो कोई कुछ भी कहेगा, but no, I don't think he is, but great talent, no doubt.
Yeah.
And they should support him and keep him away from the dark side of, post cricket matches, because there's a lot of different dark sides happen there.
Yeah, true. But he is a real talent.
Oh, no doubt, man. First ball in IPL to smack a big hit like that, it's not a joke. And that too, hitting someone who's part of the Indian team is not a joke. No doubt.
We have talked about your mother quite a lot actually. What's her song? Favorite one? जो आप भी गाते हो उनके लिए. When she was here.
Can't help falling in love with you, Elvis.
Can you sing a couple of lines of that?
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. And then there was तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ, तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है. So I don't want to sing in a moment.
जिंदगी और
कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है.
बहुत बहुत खूब. जाते जाते I'm gonna ask you this last thing. What is, मैं आपसे 3 घंटे भी बात कर सकता हूँ बैठ के. You know that, right?
I'm honored.
And we can keep
I'm
on
honored
talking
that
about
you feel that way.
Yeah, see, we have always connected, Adil.
Of course,
yeah?
of
And
course.
I respect you and you respect me for
course,
whatever little I've done in my
course.
life. So thank you so much for being here.
It's my honor.
जाते जाते मैं बस आपसे ये सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ बहुत जल्दी. It's a rapid fire. एक पिक करना है. सिंगर और क्रिकेटर.
Cricketer.
क्रिकेटर और कॉप.
Cricketer.
Okay. क्रिकेटर और एक्टर.
Cricketer.
Okay. Right now, which song are you obsessed with currently? पहला गाना जो दिमाग में आ रहा है.
फिर ना ऐसी रात आएगी.
Okay. 2 लाइनें.
क्या ये मुमकिन है कभी तुम मेरे हो पाओगे, मैं ये बाहें खोल दूंगा तुम गले लग जाओगे. ये 2 लाइनें हो गई, बट
बहुत खूब. आखिरी चीज सबसे पूछता हूँ सारे गेस्ट से. I'm gonna ask you as well. What has been that one mic drop moment in your life?
Mic drop in what sense?
In terms of achievements, in terms of satisfaction, in terms of glory, in terms of commitment, whatever.
Yeah, I think mic drop happens every day in my life. In the context of अगर चाय वाला भी आपको अच्छे से प्रेज कर दे जो चाय आपको रोज देता है, या your manager praises you, your coach praises you, someone in your team praises you, your mother, which I miss, praises you, Allah bless her. There's mic drops happen every day. But I think mic drops is ज़्यादा, there's only one thing that I live every day as it goes. For me, it's today and then, and full on. But I think there's only one thing that I've always felt in recent times. It's not a mic drop, but it's that impact moment for me. During that time when my mother was sick and I was struggling work-wise and all that, that's the only time where I didn't have anything to give my mother. Today I have everything, I don't have my mother.
Oh, we'll end with this thought. It's a beautiful, emotional thought. Thank you so much, Mr. Adil Farooq. It's a pleasure, honor having you here with me. And
Honor's all mine.
I promise you that we would want you more. क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारी जिंदगी की बहुत सारी बातें हैं जो कि नहीं हो पाई इस एपिसोड.
बड़ा मजा आया and I'd be honored to come back again.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.